Guys, okay, how are you? I hope that everything okay. So we continue for the part 2 for this topic, managing inventory. So move slides, inventory control system. Okay, we focus on the Pareto law, which is all the 80 or 20 rules. About 80% of a firm sales are generated by about 20% only of the item in its inventory. Sometimes a company best selling item are its highest price item, but more often they are low price items that sell in high volume. The goal of inventory control is to focus the majority of the efforts on that 20% of the inventory. Just-in-time technique, or we call it as JIT, attempt to reduce the investment required in inventory because it drains a company cash and hide a multitude of problems manager needs to address. Okay, what's the goal? JIT seeks to get items where they are needed just in time. Eliminate waste. Of course, it can be eliminated. Okay, benefits of JIT: lower investment in inventory, reduce inventory carrying and handling costs. Third, reduce costs resulting from obsolete inventory. Fourth, lower investment in space for inventories and production. Number 5, reduce total manufacturing costs from the better coordination needed between departments to operate at lower inventory level. 6, higher inventory turnover ratio. Okay, successful JIT requires mutual trust and teamwork. Okay, what is a mutual trust and teamwork? Means that manager and employee view each other as equal, have a commitment to the organization and its long-term effectiveness, and are willing to work as a team to find and solve problems. And the second one is empowerment. Effective organization provide their employees with authorities to take action to solve problems. The objective is to have the problem dealt with at the lowest level and as quickly as possible. JIT is the most effective in repetitive manufacturing operation, where companies traditionally have relied on holding significant level of inventory, where production requirement can be forecast accurately, and where suppliers and customers work together as partners throughout the supply chains. JIT works best in companies with reliable deliveries of all parts and suppliers, short distance between a company and its vendor, consistent quality of vendors' products, and the last one, stable and predictable product demand that allow for accurate production schedule. Okay, before I move to turning slow moving inventory into cash, I want to conclude here. For actually, JIT work best when two companies transact a significant amount of business that involve many different parts or products. Still, maintaining trust is the biggest barrier the companies must overcome. Okay, move on to this slide. Turning slow moving inventory into cash. The most common technique for liquidating slow moving merchandise is the markdown. Other technique may be include creating the middle of the IC display island that attract customer attention, then offering one day only sales, third, giving quantity discount for volume purchases,